Kalkadosh Boker Or Bekiim Bahalacha 6. This is page 66, day 24, Siman 158, Kuf Samechet, Halacha Yod Zayin 17. Okay? So let's start. Hamakpid litol yadav ad haperek, kefi haraui lachmid. So a person that's going to be makpid, that they're going to do Netillat Yadayim until the wrist, which is according to what is proper to do, the chumrah. That's what we learned yesterday. I mean, even though there are some people that say that you could do it until the knuckles, the proper thing to do, even according to Maran, is always going to be until the wrist. So nachon shiatne v'yomar shelo mikabel elav davar zeh b'torat chova ela b'torat reshut haynu b'li neder, right? Kedei, I thought we said this already. Kedei she'im eze pam lo yizdamnu lo kol kach, right? Mayim lo yitzarech leachmir keminago. So he should do it b'li neder. Why is he doing this b'li neder? Because it will happen, right? That if a person is going to come and get stuck for whatever reason, so therefore what he's going to do is that he's going to be able to come and to get out of it, because now he doesn't have all the water. So therefore he made a condition already that it's not going to be a chova. And if it's not going to be a chova, he's only just doing it out of pious, to be like the chumrah. So therefore he's able to get out of it. And it's person, right? A person, it's important for him to do this every single time that he's doing a chumrah. Now, if it comes that he did not do such a declaration, right? So he said, that means we did this yesterday. I don't know why, right? So he says, if you look at the footnote, he brings down, if someone finds himself in a situation where it's not possible for him to wash his entire hands, but he never made such a declaration, so therefore he comes and he says he cannot be lenient, right? Why? Because he has to do Netillat Nedarim, right? Because he knew it was a stringency and he still did it. So he made it like a chova. Okay. Now, however, though, if he made a mistake from the beginning and he thought that was halacha, so therefore he could always do that. Because remember, when a person thinks that halacha is like that, and then he realizes that halacha was not like that, there he can change, right? Because again, there it means that he didn't do it as an agatova. He made a mistake. Okay. Okay. Fine. So the next halacha yudchet. So imagine right now you come, you do Netilat Yadayim until the end of the knuckles, and you don't have any more water. You are allowed to make the bracha al Netilat Yadayim, כיוון שמעיקר הדין קיים עליו שדי בנטילת, right, עד סוף קשרי אצבעותיו, והוא הדין, and the same halacha would apply למי שיש לו מכה, if he's got a מכה בכף ידו או בגב ידו, right, ואינו יכול ליטול ידיו אלא עד סוף קשרי אצבעותיו. So the same thing, if he's got a מכה, he's got the same halacha. שרשאי לברך גם כן על נטילת ידיים, that he's allowed to make the bracha of al netilat yadayim. So what he says here is as follows: unto how much of one hands do you have to pour? So if you remember, we brought this down the Gemara and Chulin, and we read this already. Okay, and basically what's coming out is that we brought down that the Rif and the Rabbi Yonah says that it's necessary to pour the water on the entire hand up to the wrist, and that's likewise the ruling of the Rashba, Rabbi Bekiim, right? But there was a lot of Rishonim that said no. So the lachic decision of Maran, if you remember, we said that the Rambam ruled that one has to just do it until the joints, and we didn't know where was the joints. Okay, so the Ben Ishchai Halichot Olam, right, comes and he says that really Be'emet Halacha does not follow the lenient opinion in this manner, because if you remember, he was going according to the Kabbalah.